Hey guys, what is going on? It's Turtle Gaming here. I know this isn't a gaming video, but it's a video. So today we have Tech Deck. I just bought this mini box from Toys R Us. So comes with decals, a ramp, a skateboard, and 2 ledges. So let's get right into the opening. Take my knife, cut that, and turn it over and slide it out. But, oh, it's like this. It looked like to be like, you just slid it, you took the top off on the top, but oh yeah, so here are the steps. I don't know what these are. These might be like connectors or something. What is this? Oh, these are the 2 ledges that you grind. I think they're to grind. Here's one of the ramps. Here's another one of the ramps. Here is the rail. So the rail goes like this right here. Like this. So that's how the rail would go. Let's see what else we have. Some cardboard. Instructions. Oh, here's the Tech Deck. So you don't have to, I don't have to do anything because it already came done. I'll take my knife or actually I'll get the rest of the stuff out. So a piece of cardboard with 2 problems, questions, so just, yeah, whatever. Oh yeah, and here are the decals. So that was the box opening. So I'll be right back when I put all of these together. Hey guys, I'm back. I put it all together. Came out to be about roughly double the size of my hand. I got the stickers and got the rail that it came with. I'm just gonna put the decals on. So comes with these big ones, which I'm gonna put on the ramps. Take this. I'm just gonna put it right here. Let's see. I'll put Street League on right here of thing. So I got that, and I'm gonna put one Tech on the thing. Alright, so I used 3 stickers. I have a pretty good thing, and I'm going to turn the camera around, and I'm going to show you all the stickers on. I have this one, and this one. Here's the Tech Deck it came with, the signature board, so yeah. It's kind of hard to do while it's on a mattress because you don't get much pop and you can't roll into this. Or actually get more pop on a mattress, but like it's hard to roll onto things. Alright. Try and kickflip onto this. I can barely kickflip on a fingerboard, so I'm going to move to a different location and I'm going to show you what I can do. So yeah. Alright, I'm back, and so I'm going to do some tricks. Got this. I'll put that right here. The only thing I have a little bit of a problem with is that it only has the little things right here so it can move a little bit. So sometimes what I have with this is when I board slide, the wheels hit this little ramp, and I mean I could make like a little a cardboard thing to fix that, but actually it depends how you board slide. If you're board sliding and have some of your weight on the back, it's not gonna work. But if you're going like that and not like flat, you'll have to be able to do it. I wish it had like more room right here, because it only has about an inch or two, so you can't really fit your hand, which kind of sucks. So. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Comment fingerboard if you watched to the end of this video. And, bye!